Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick practical guide on how to show your last seen to everyone on WhatsApp Web on PC with the latest update. If you've ever wanted more visibility or simply easier communication, this walkthrough will get you there in just a few taps. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and that your chat list is visible. The web version mirrors the mobile app closely, so you'll find most of the same controls in the same places. Next, locate the gear icon to access settings. It's typically found in the upper right corner of the WhatsApp Web interface. A quick click opens a compact menu where you'll see several options related to your account and privacy. From there, select Privacy. This section is where WhatsApp lets you customize what others can see about you. Within Privacy, look for Last Seen and Online. This option controls who can view the exact time you were last active and whether your online status is visible. In Last Seen and Online, you'll find the choice to set who can see your last seen. Choose Everyone to make your last activity timestamp visible to all contacts and non-contacts alike. This is the setting that affects how others can gauge your activity on WhatsApp, especially on WhatsApp Web. After selecting Everyone, confirm your choice. You won't need to restart WhatsApp Web. The change takes effect immediately. You can double check by having a friend or family members view your profile to verify that the last seen is now visible to them. A quick note, changes to privacy settings apply across devices where you're signed in. If you use WhatsApp on multiple platforms, this last seen setting will propagate there as well, ensuring a consistent visibility level regardless of the device you're using. If you ever want to adjust again, you can return to the same path settings, privacy, last seen, and online and pick a different option, such as My Contacts or Nobody. Each choice gives you a different balance between privacy and openness. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can tailor who sees your activity on WhatsApp Web without missing a beat in your daily communication.